So we've also supplied and fitted a power station for Jane and David, and the power station is the FALCON FN 1200, which is the most popular size power station in the market. It's a 1200 watt pure sine wave inverter built in, which has a surge value up to 2400 watt, which is perfect for all your travel appliances one at a time. So this will do a kettle, it will do a toaster, it will do a microwave, or it will do a hairdryer. In the middle of the field, now you have your own power. Now, of course, taking power, you have to consider about how you're going to put the power in before you can use it. So before leaving, you've got the option to be able to use your mains charger, charge it up at home before you leave. So there's the mains charger input. Alternatively, you can also charge it when you're driving from one campsite to the next campsite with a 12 volt socket. So you can plug this into your cigarette lighter, plug this into your power station, and now you can be charging whilst driving. Now, if you're on a campsite, maybe you also, especially if you're there for a week, taking out eventually, this is going to empty unless you put in charge back into it. Now, there are those considerations of having a portable solar, but the problem, of course, with the portable solar is it's only going to be charging when it's sat outside. And if you want to go for a walk, do you really want to leave that solar panel unattended? It might not be there when you get back. Now, of course, for Jane and for David, we've installed a 200 watt FALCON flexible solar panel on the pop top, of which it's going into a FALCON MPPT solar regulator going to a FALCON lithium battery. Now, what we've done for David and Jane is we have fitted a charging socket for the power station and connected it directly to the solar system. So now what we can do is, when camping, we can now simply plug this, and we can leave this in the van. We can leave this in the van on charge, go for a walk, close the door, and have the peace of mind that the solar panel on the roof is not just charging the onboard camping battery, but it's also charging our power station as well. So now we've got charge into the built-in lithium battery. This battery has a 50 amp hour lithium battery inside of here. It also has a digital display on the front as well, so it will tell you how much energy is in there, how much power is going in, or how much power is going out. So you can see from your readout whether you're using it for powering up a television or a cool box. You'll be able to see how much power is coming out of your power station and how much time at that rate you've got left before the battery goes flat. So it's got a full informative display there. But to take power from this unit, you have USB, DC or AC. Now, USB, turn the USB on, will allow you now to charge up to 3 C-type USBs or 3 standard USB outputs. If not in use, just turn that off. But now you might want 12 volt. Turn your DC on, and you've got a 12 volt socket, which is perfect for a cool box, or a 12 volt TV. So if you want to pop this outside in the awning, you can pop it outside, plug your television in there, sit your TV on the top and watch the football. Alternatively, great for keeping the beers cold. 2 12 volt DC sockets, well, we use these for our lights when we go camping, and we just put the LED lights around the awning to give low light illumination, but ideal for lighting up the area when the vino and the barbecue comes out. Turning the DC off now allows us to turn the AC on, or you can have them on at the same time. But now with the AC on, now the electrical plugs are working. So now this is for the all important hairdryer, microwave, kettle, toaster. So where there is no electric, now you've got electricity. When you're not using the inverter, turn it off. So now the inverter's not even in standby mode. So again, you're taking minimum power out of this. So last thing on the top is a wireless charger for your devices. So you can just pop your phone on the top over there like so and charge it wirelessly. It also comes with an LED light round the back which when pressed on can go bright white or warm white. It also has an SOS function on the light as well, which is great for karaoke. And over here you've also got an external socket, and if you wish to add an external battery pack, simply plug in and then sit the power station on top of the battery pack, and now you've got 2 times 50 amps hour of power. And there is your solar input charge or your 12 volt input charge. So all in all, you have a complete power station. So with a small van such as this, we don't then have the complications of where we can fit extra batteries or fit inverters. This unit over here, it's simple. It only weighs 13 kilos, so it's not heavy. You can have it in the awning, then you've got power in the awning. So if you want to, you can have the microwave on the table. You've got no cables coming out of the van where there's no electricity. You've got electricity. For further information, give us a call, drop us an email, or send me a direct message on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hi, good morning. It's Chris at Falcon Technology with David and Jane.
Yeah, Jane's in there, yeah. Hi, how are you doing? Yeah, we met at the NEC show in Birmingham last year.
October,
yeah, that's right.
it.
Yeah. We booked for having a solar panel fitted, and then we've just come now this week and had it fitted. So we upgraded to a 200 watt panel, and we've got the power pack as well with the inverter, so we can use our microwave and stuff. Yeah.
So we looked at the roof of the van, and we were down originally for 100 watt, and
yes,
we decided to cover all bases and upgrade it to a 200 watt for those overcast days other than the sunny days.
Yeah.
And then we put an MPPT solar regulator from that solar panel directly to the battery, and now that's charging with the latest technology, and you can connect with your smartphone to that as well.
Yeah, we can. Yeah,
and you can see, you can see how much energy is being made and how much energy is in the battery. But then we got talking, and we got talking about hairdryers.
Oh, yeah. Did,
and Dave and Jane bought this van because Dave took early retirement.
I did. Yeah, loving it. Yeah.
How old?
58.
There you go. See, so he's got early retirement, bought this beautiful machine, and went to France, and now basically want to do more in France, but want to do more off-grid.
That's right. Yeah.
Or do more where it's cheaper. So now they've got their own power station with a lithium battery in it, which now flicker switch, and now we've got electricity.
We do.
So Jane can use that hairdryer and a microwave. I'm saying nothing, Dave. And a microwave or a toaster in the middle of nowhere. They've got their own electricity. But what we did was power stations are available everywhere and anywhere, but normally to put charge back in them when you're camping, you've got to put a portable solar panel outside. And of course with that always comes the risk you might actually lose a solar panel because it could get stolen if you're not with it. So we did an installation for Dave and Jane where we put an internal socket inside the van, and that then allows them to plug the power station to the onboard solar panel fitted to the roof, so they can go for a walk with a peace of mind that they can charge and the solar panel's still going to be there when they get back. So that's all fitted, it's all been shown and demonstrated. What did you get up to whilst you were here?
Oh, we've had a great few days, yeah. So we had a walk down the canal, which is a great walk if you get a chance to do it, down to the pub down the way there, Lee Arms.
The Lee Arms, yeah.
It's really good, really nice. And,
good food?
Good food,
And you took the dog?
We took the dog along with us, and he fell in the canal, but it was all good. So, but yeah, we had a great day.
You didn't go for a swim yourself?
I didn't know.
Well, listen, thanks very much for your business.
You're welcome, Chris. Thank you very much.
It's been a pleasure having you, and we hope you enjoy your solar system, and safe travels to France.
Thank you. Yeah, we're going to enjoy it. Yeah, and thanks for everybody for helping out. It's been really
problem.
Good. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at Falcon Technology. Bye for now.